Yeah. He is literally right there, like right in the middle. Yeah, so the computer think you in the car. Cause the keys in there. Is it gonna damage that car? Oh no. Yeah, I'm about to break the glass and get you in right now. Huh? I hope not. Shit, why not? You wanna get in, huh? Not that bad, though. Not that bad. I'm glad. He said he coming with the spare key. Or go open the door. Window. Put your hands in the window. Open your door. You can't get in? I mean, I can try. You can't open the door and get in. Press the button. It's not open. Get in. Open the door. You funny as hell.